Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. I was doing some searching online. I was able to find, again, confirmation, even in searching for 2025 statistics in the janitorial commercial cleaning industry, that again, still, actual visits, physical visits by the owner of the cleaning business for the walkthrough or the salesperson, the walkthrough and the presentation of the bid proposal, going through the quote, is still the way most contracts are awarded by building owners and managers. And you may already have realized that and know that, but it's easy to think with technology the way it is that everything is just digital, no problem. Well, there is a lot of help that can be given by digital elements, but still, the contract is often being given to someone to do office cleaning, for example, and you're going to be in their building, in their office, after hours, alone without them being there, and that is a big privacy and security issue for them still. Digital things are one thing, but this is actually being in someone's business, building, doing work. And so it still has that important security element where they need to trust you. So, and the article, the search actually went on to point out that that's right. They're looking for relationship, it said, and trust. And that really is best served by getting to know the person that's going to be running the job, who owns the business, or who's the account manager, someone who's going to represent your cleaning business still today. So by the way, so that means for walkthroughs and delivering bids, very often, whenever we can, let's actually get out there and meet folks and meet the owners and meet the decision maker. Even in the marketing, those too. Let's have a step or steps that involve a phone call, stopping out. Giving that chance to build relationship and trust makes complete sense. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.